Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Jeff Schneid. I'm with Unistrut Service Company. Today we're going to talk about making connections into 1 5/8" square channel. When you're hanging material from threaded rod, which is typically going to be 1/2" diameter threaded rod, the cross-corner dimension of the channel nut is larger than what the channel socket will allow it to gain access to the open section of the channel. So what happens is you create an interference. And typically what people have done in the past is they'll take a standard socket, they'll grind it down until it fits. The problem with doing that is it weakens the socket and you can't get the proper torque rating out of the connection. So what Unistrut Service Company has done is we've introduced a new channel socket. The socket itself, you can see, has actually got these flats that are milled on it, so it fits directly inside the channel so you can actually make the connection. So it fits into any standard impact driver, so we'll go ahead and put it into the impact. And you'll see that we'll be able to put this right into the legs of the channel and lock the connection directly down. They're made in two different configurations. For the narrower or the shorter depth channel, there's the smaller socket, and when you get into the deep channels, there's the larger socket. On the channel sockets themselves, they're available on our website, unistrutohio.com. Come directly into our e-commerce site and buy them online or order them direct from our inside sales staff. Appreciate everybody stopping by today. Thanks for your time.